Good morning, students. Welcome to Bharti Boarding School, Gaya, Bihar. My name is Bharti, your maths teacher, and today we are going to continue our chapter Cards and Wheel. We have already studied to page number 88, and today we are continuing page number 89. Okay, Anupam, just read the page. Is it a circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Is it a circle? Nana was making a circle. Ravi asked her for an eraser. She kept her compass and gave him the eraser. Then she started again to complete her circle, but she got this.
Okay, in this passage it is saying that Nana was making a circle. Here is Nana. Where is Nana? It is Nana. Okay, she is making
Yes,
a
ma'am.
circle. See, she is making a circle. Okay, Ravi asked her for an eraser. Okay, she kept her compass. Okay, she dropped her compass and gave him eraser. Then she started again to complete her circle, but she got this. Okay, is it a perfect circle? It is looking like this. Is it a
Yes,
perfect
ma'am.
circle?
Good
Not.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Satyanarayan. Why are you late?
Ma'am, because Wi-Fi is on very slowly.
Is it okay now on your video?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. She did a wrong circle. She made wrong circle. Anupam and Satyanarayan. Why did it so? Okay. When Nana was drawing a circle in first case, this is the center of the compass. Okay, and she started
Yes, ma'am.
drawing like this. And Ravi
Yes,
asked
ma'am.
for eraser. She stopped. She stopped and again she started from right there. Okay. She did not
Okay,
put
ma'am.
the pin of the compass on right center again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
No, she got a wrong circle. Okay. Why did Nana get such a drawing? I have already told you why did Nana get such a drawing. Okay. Can a circle have more than one center? Tell me. Can a circle have more than one circle? Sorry, one center?
No,
No, a
no.
circle cannot have more than one
More
circle.
than one set.
Yes, it has only one circle. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Anupam?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next. Another day, Nana was using. Read Satyanarayan.
Another day, Nana was using a compass to make circle, but it came out like this.
It is not cam, it is came. But
Okay,
it
ma'am.
came out.
Came out like this.
Yes, now she is drawing like this. Is it okay? Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes, ma'am, Anupam. Satyanarayan. Is it correct circle? Fine
No,
circle.
ma'am.
No, it is
No,
not
ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone of you ever get a shape like Nana's? Did anyone of you ever get
No,
a
ma'am.
shape like Nana?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why it happened here? Why did it happen?
Nana draw wrong circle
How? How did she make?
because
Because
she kept wrong compass.
whenever we use compass we open it we keep it
Yes, ma'am.
same position, and Nana opened it more than
Yes, ma'am.
more than the radius. Okay, now see the radius is larger than before. Here, this is the radius in first case, and this is the radius in second case. Okay, Nana opened the compass Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
not in correct radius. Okay, okay. Now, what is happening? Wait, wait, guys, wait.
Ma'am, I can connect baby this audio.
Mm-hmm.
May I go, ma'am?
Yes, you go. You can go. Okay, Anupam, read. Find the circle, center. Find the center. Read it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sadiq and Samina want to make circle for themselves. It will make it with a compass. So I will trace it with a bangle.
Okay. They are trying to find the center. Where is the center? Anupam, I am drawing a circle here. Where is the center of the circle? Where is the center?
Yes,
Just you just make a dot. Make a dot. Yes, correct. It is the center of the circle. Okay. Can you find the center of the circle without using compass?
Yes, ma'am.
How? How could you?
them with bangle.
Okay, this circle is made by using bangle, and this circle is made by using compass. Which one is the
Yes,
better
ma'am.
Yes,
way to
ma'am.
find the center? Using a compass?
Ma'am, compass.
Why? Why, Satyanarayan?
Because compass has
Compass
tell.
ha- compass has a pin that make a circle
Yes,
automatic
ma'am. Make
center
us.
automatically. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, they cut their circle. See, my circle has a center, but where is the center of your circle? It is the circle of Naina and it is the circle of Sadik. Okay, Sadik has
Okay.
center already and Naina doesn't have. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
don't worry. See how I find it now. Naina is trying to find
Good
out
morning,
the
ma'am.
center. Good morning. Okay, she fold her circle into two half. Okay, what did he do?
Okay.
What did she do? She fold the page that they cut the circle. Okay,
They cut the circle.
and they
Yes, ma'am.
fold it in two halves into two halves. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then she fold it again. She
Yes,
fold it
ma'am.
again like this. She opened the folded circle. Can you see the creased line across each other? Can you see the creased line?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the center? Here is the center. Okay, I'm changing
Here
the
is the
color.
set.
Wait. Here is the center, the red colored. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it correct center, Anupam?
Yes.
ma'am.
Good. See, I put a point where these lines cross. This is the center of my circle. Okay, now you trace a circle on a paper using a bangle, cut it, then find its circle like Samina did. Okay, you just do
Okay, ma'am.
and Satyanarayan, I gave you some homework.
Okay, ma'am.
I gave you yesterday. Did you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your notebook.
मैम my notebook is मैम मेरा notebook इधर नहीं है रफ कॉपी है
मैं आपको बोलती हूँ ना, जब भी मैथ्स की क्लास में बैठते हो मैथ्स की नोटबुक लेके बैठा करो. रफ एंड फेयर
ओके
वाली.
मैम
Okay, now you this
ओके
is your
मैम
homework. make a circle using a bangle or any round shape and fold it into two halves, then fold it into like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then
Okay,
you
ma'am.
will be able to find out the center of your circle.
Okay, ma'am.
We can also make the design on the page 88 like this. How did you do this? Can you do this? Can you make this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How can you, Anupam? How can you make? Wait, I'm
मैम
trying.
पहले सर्कल बनाकर
Mm-hmm.
मैम पहले सर्कल बनाकर फिर
Yes,
बीच में
make a circle, then
मैम फिर ऐसे करके
okay, it is the center of the circle. Okay,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
then divide this part into two halves and this part also into two halves. Now keep keep the pin of your compass here and draw a half circle and keep your pin here and draw a half circle and then erase this line. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
are you able to make this design?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anupam, you just draw these
Yes, ma'am.
designs in your notebook. Okay, this is your activity. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next page. Who will read the next page?
Ma'am, baby D.
Baby, read this page.
यहाँ से बैलेंसिंग एक्ट से Can you
Mm-hmm. Anupam, sit properly, dear. Sit properly.
can you can you be
Balance.
balance up plate good morning on your finger.
Finger. Can you balance a plate on your finger? Can you do this? Keep a plate on your finger like this. Can you balance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this monkey is saying, I can balance it. Oops, I will try again. I think I have found the center of the plate. When are you able to balance the place on your finger? Whenever you put your finger on right center of the plate. Okay, now it can make the balance. Okay, here it is the plate. Okay, it is the center. You put your finger on the exact center of the plate, then it can be balanced. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
try to do this. Okay, get a plate.
Okay, ma'am.
Fast, get a plate. Here is it, a plate in your house.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, leave. Try in free time. Okay, you also try to balance.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you also try to balance a plate or a round lid on your finger. Where does it balance? It can balance on the center.
Finger.
Okay? Spin the top. Zakir, Appu, Naina, and Guddo were getting bored. It was raining, so they could not go out to play. Suddenly, Appu said, "Let's each make a top." Okay, what they planned? They planned.
Let's each make a top.
Top. Okay, they took a piece of cardboard, traced a circle on it, then they made a hole and put a matchstick on it. Okay, what did they do?
Okay, ma'am.
They make a circle like this. They make a circle, okay, and found the center, and then they made a hole at the center and put a matchstick on it. Okay, now everybody was excited to spin their top, which looked like this. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is Zakir's top, it is Apu's top, and it is Nana's top, it is Guddo's top. Whose top is correct?
Ma'am, Apu.
Yes, Apu's top is correct because Apu make a hole at the center. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
if you can
Yes, ma'am.
if you want to make a spinner, you know spinner.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to make a spinner, then you have to make hole at the center of the circle. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, now now whose top will not spin at all? Tell me, whose top will not spin at all? Fine. Whose top will not spin at all? I think Zakir and Nana. Okay, top of Zakir
Okay.
and Nana will not spin at all. Okay, whose top will spin a little? It is good.
Guddu.
Here it is Zakir and Appu. Okay, and here it is. Sorry. Yes, it is Guddo. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
whose top will spin the best? Anupam, whose
Apu.
But
top?
Zakir नहीं होगा.
No, Zakir and Naina. Sorry. Yes, here will be Naina. Okay,
तो तू आप
Anupam.
लोग म्यूट कर लीजिए.
Yes, whose top will spin the best? Anupam, whose top will spin the best?
मैम Appu and Guddu.
Huh?
मैम Appu and Guddu.
Not Guddo's, Guddo's center is not
मैम
correct. Yes, Appu's top will spin the best. Okay, next in whose top is the stick nearest to the center? In whose top?
Guddu.
Yes, it is nearest to the center. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
clear Satyanarayan, Anupam, baby?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Make your on top. Okay,
मैम सत्यनारायण.
Satyanarayan, mute yourself, dear. Okay, now your chapter is finished. You also make your on top and play this game. Okay, take a cardboard
Okay, ma'am.
and cut a
Okay,
circle.
ma'am.
Okay, make a hole and then put any stick in this hole and then round it round. Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
Now we will practice this chapter. Wait a minute. Wait. uh, you just Anupam, you tell me. You just tell me table of 15. Anupam. Table of 15.
15, ma'am.
Yes. You just fix your phone, Anupam. Now, tell me the table of
Yes,
15.
15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja
15
45,
twos are
15 55 ja 60,
15 twos
15 2
are
ja 30, 15, 15 ma'am 15 2 ja 30,
mm-hmm. Okay. And
15 3 ja 45, 15 15 15 4 ja 60,
mm-hmm.
13 4 ja 60, 13 5 ja 75, 38 ja 38 ja 9 90.
Going wrong, Anupam. You are going wrong. Okay. Satyanarayan, you tell me the table of 15.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75, 15 6 ja 90, 15 7 ja 105,
Mm-hmm.
15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 130,
Okay.
50.
Now, baby, read the table of 3.
3 का टेबल बताइए 3 और 3 का 3 मैम 3 टेबल 3
Baby,
टेबल
Anupam, Satyanarayan, you just on your video.
किसका बोल
On
रहे
your
हैं बोल
video.
रहे हैं वीडियो ऑन करने के लिए
Okay, okay, leave. Baby, tell me the table of 3. Just try to speak. Okay, go on. Okay, Anupam, you tell me the table of 9.
Ma'am, 9 2 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 2, 9 2 are 18,
9
9
2, not 9 2 are. It is 9 twos are.
9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 56, 9 9 7s are 63, 9 7 9 9 7 is 63,
Mm-hmm.
9 7 9 8 are 72, 9 8 are 72, 9 9 is 81, 19 is 90.
Now, here are some questions of subtraction. Get your notebook and start solving these questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, take
Okay,
your
ma'am.
notebook and pencil. Start solving these
Yes, ma'am.
questions. Do you know how to solve these questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There are, I think, wait a minute. I'm counting 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 12 question. You just do 6 question in the class and 6 question as your homework. Okay? I will send this.
Okay, ma'am. मैम कितना बनाएंगे?
You just make 6
Okay, ma'am.
6 questions. Start writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Do not give answers. I will take answer after solving all the questions. Okay, Anupam? Done? Done, dear students?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Anupam, do clearly, okay? Write neat and clean. Do not be fast, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just want beautiful writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Switch on your video, Anupam.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anupam.
मैम कितने क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं?
You just do six
Six?
questions. Six questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have completed 6 questions.
Okay. If you have completed, then send it on the group right now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait a minute.
Mm-hmm. Send it fast. Anupam, you have completed, then take a click and send it.
Ma'am, I am checking the answer.
Okay. Satyanarayan, completed, dear. Time is going. It is 8 minutes only.
Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, just send it on the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent it. I am sent it.
Oh, I have sent.
Ma'am, ma'am, I am going to send.
Okay, do it fast. I will check.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anupam.
मैम हम कैमरे से दिखा फोटो खींच रहे हैं इस मोबाइल से तो बता रहा है द फाइल फॉर्मेट इज नॉट सपोर्टेड.
Okay. After the class,
मैम लिंक पे सेंड करें.
No, on WhatsApp group. Okay, you just, if you have completed, I will send, I will give you the link for the drive, then submit it on the drive. Okay, with the homework as well.
Okay.
Okay, do all the questions
Okay.
and submit it on the drive. I will share the link. Okay.
Ma'am, please
Okay, ma'am.
wait.
Yes, Satyanarayan, what is your question? Repeat.
No, ma'am. Please wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. How
I
many questions
can
are left?
write. No, ma'am. Zero questions are left.
You have completed all the question 12.
No, ma'am. Six.
Okay, baby, have you completed here? Baby, have you
अब
completed?
complete की बेबी दी.
Do it fast. 2 minutes are left only.
मैम रुकिए अभी प्लीज. हम ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं मोबाइल से जरा सा.
Recording in progress.
Who is there with second device?
मैम अनुपम बोल रहे थे पर मेरा कंप्यूटर दिखा.
Okay. Your time is over. I'm ending the class. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I end?
May I go, ma'am? To send.
Okay. Where are you going, Satyanarayan?
Ma'am, take mobile.
No, Satyanarayan. I told you that you just finished all the 12 questions, and then send it on the drive. I will share the link on the app. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Now
मैम
bye
व्हाट्सएप पे
bye.
ना सेंड करेंगे. व्हाट्सएप पे ना सेंड करेंगे अभी.
If you want to share on WhatsApp, you can. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Now bye bye. Bye
बाय
Anu.
मैम.
Bye,
Bye
ma'am.
Satyanarayan. Bye baby.
बाय मैम.